Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to this channel, I am Okeke Chizoba. I am a teacher and an entrepreneur. Okay, in this my channel, I teach how to make legit money online by exploring a lot of websites. Okay, if you are new, you are welcome to this wonderful channel. So in today's video, I am going to go straight to the point. I'm not going to waste time, but I want you to listen to this video, watch it to the end if you want to get the full benefit of this video. Okay, so before I'm going to review the website of today, I want you to listen. This website, for you to be able to operate it, you are going to use your mobile phone, and you are going to make use of mobile phone sites and not desktop sites in your browser. Okay, if you use your desktop site, it is not going to work. So for you to open this app or this website on your phone, you are going to make use of what? Your mobile phone site in your browser. Okay, and this website, for you to get started, you are going to have your 5k words, your outline, your plot outline, your blog, then you submit to the website or through an editor. Okay, so I am doing this from the bottom of my heart, so enjoy this video to its fullness. Okay, and this website is called gwreader.com. Okay, gwreader.com. Okay, so for you to be a writer, you go through the profile. If you go through the profile, you will see to be a writer. You click on that, then you copy. When you copy, when you have copied that, all you have to do is for you to go to a new tab and paste it there. When you paste it there, you search. Okay, so all you have to do is for you to log in, sign in with your Facebook account, or just sign in with Google. I always love making use of Google, or you can just sign in with your email. So all these things are very simple. Okay, when you do that, you are going to follow the instructions. I don't want to do it in this video. I don't want this video to be long. You follow the instructions and you are good to go. All these things, they are the same. And for people that are saying that I am introducing fake website, be careful before I post anything on this. I am not saying that I am 100% correct, but majorly when I'm talking about ghostwriting, just know that I do a lot of research before posting websites. So let me show you the benefit of this gwreader.com. Okay, this is the benefit of gwreader.com. It might not be as big as Good Novel and a lot of web novel out there, but it's worth trying. Okay, so the sign-in bonus is $30. You can claim that once you have reached your 30,000 words. Remember, for you to get contracts, an exclusive contract or non-exclusive contract, but aim exclusive contract actually. So for you to get that, you are going to have your 5k words, your outline, your blog, and your details. Okay, and for you to get the daily update bonus, you are going to have your 50k words in a month, minusing 30k words of your signing in bonus. Then when you have reached like 30 plus 50 words in a month, you are going to get $150. When you keep on writing another 50k words in a month, you are going to get your 150k words. So looking at this, you notice that in this platform, you can write below 100 words or 100 words on a dot. Okay, so if you love yourself, if you want to elevate yourself from this poverty or anything, you want to make extra money, you are going to utilize this opportunity that I am bringing to you this moment. So this is it. If you want a private mentorship or you want to know in details about ghostwriting, you can DM me. Okay, and remember, it is not for free. It is not for free. There is money involved. Immediately you are shutting me up in my WhatsApp, you are paying for something, unless you are not ready to get the information in full. Okay, till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.